Hello, dear educators. It's right time to walk the talk. Yes, you heard me right. As we strive to make our classrooms more inclusive and address the diverse needs of our learners, Birla LearnLeap is here with a well-curated certificate program for K-12 teachers, designed to equip the teachers with modern strategies to foster effective learning ecosystem. The course empowers you with interactive and engaging teaching learning tools to make your learning space more interesting. Also, you will be able to understand and apply effective communication with students, parents, and colleagues to engage and enhance collaboration. And the cherry on the cake, the course offers flexibility, allowing you to learn anytime, anywhere, making it easy to fit in your schedule. So why wait to make a lasting impact in your classrooms? We look forward to your enrollment as you continue to grow and thrive.